Okay, so we passed our footer inspection. Pumper truck is here and the concrete truck just showed up. We should be pumping some concrete shortly. Okay, so we got the concrete pumper going and he's just laying down the first batch on the ground to get it firmed up a little bit before we fill up the forms. Okay, so got the pour finished up. Just going around and checking everything out for level. Cleaned up the tops and get to finally take the forms off tomorrow so we can start working on the walls. There goes the pumper truck. And we're ready for walls. See you next time.